Most RC pilots have a dream of flying an RC plane like a real one. Today, my friend and I fulfilled that dream. In this video, we're going to be pushing our DIY RC planes to their limits with FPV Flight. Our goals for this video are to fly up to 1,000 feet to mimic real flight, and to master buttering landings in FPV. Our DIY planes are fitted with ailerons, elevator, rudder, front wheel steering, and even suspensions in case we come in a little too hot. The FPV system that we are running is the Wifilink 2 connected to our phones in a DIY headset. So after plugging in, plane number 1 is ready for takeoff.
Yeah, I was a little rough on the rudder, but it's fun.
Okay, just try to go high. That's the goal.
Yeah, dude, yeah. Whenever you face the sun, it does black streaks.
So, yeah, okay, so that's not... Yeah, so you could definitely go fucking high.
Yeah, I mean, there are some slow cuts once in a while.
It's been like... Okay, I started recording while you're going to take off, so you're at a minute right now.
Thank you.
You can stay up there for like 4 minutes, I think.
Yeah, tell me every minute.
So I was up for 4, so...
City's nice. There are some random cuts, but it's not bad. Wait, where am I?
Pretty far out.
I mean, it's zero cutting. So.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I see the building, okay. Dude, I'm like 2 times the building right now.
Yeah.
Dude, I really climbed up here.
I have such clear footage.
Wait, dude, I swear the sun is the only thing that affects it. Like, when I look at the sun, it's like, strange.
I'm just gonna zoom out just so you can see how high it actually is. Dude, you're like a speck. Oh my god.
It's flying amazing though.
Dude, how's my kid? Wait, it's completely lost you. Oh, you're all the way up there.
I'm going half speed right now too.
Dude, that is crazy.
Dude, honestly, dude, half speed, bro, like you have full control.
Dude, you're so high. Oh my god. You're literally a speck in the sky.
Yeah, this is so sick. Oh, I see the track. Okay, I see the track.
He's a dot. That's how high he is right now.
Yeah, I have to like flip a wing to see where I am. You imagine a bird strike?
Dude, you're so high.
Yo, and with the light gray prop, you can see so much better than with the orange.
You just hit 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Dude, I'm chilling.
You're so high.
Yo, by the way, I'm half speed, so I can probably fly for like 10 minutes like this. Yeah, I'm gonna try it here. Let's test out. I'm gonna go this way a bit. Yeah. Wait, this is away from the the way we want, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Zero cutting. Wait, zero cutting. Wait, I'm not. I'm just at the end of the field.
Like directly above that.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god, you're so high. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's flying so well right now.
Okay, you're at 30 minutes.
All right.
Yeah, I guess they're slowly like.
Yeah, at 4 minutes I'll start heading down.
Yeah.
I forgot it's cold too, so I don't know what could be happening, right? Wait, I'm gonna go this way. Yo, zero cutting this way.
Oh, I can't even see the sun's like in my. Dude, you're so far. Wait.
No, I see the school.
That's an actual plane.
Yeah, I'm beside this. Yeah, I'm beside the school right now.
I see.
Okay, I'm heading down. Coming in for landing.
Alright. Are you landing this way?
No. I'm just like, I'm bleeding off height right now. Dude, I'm like wait, I'm still higher than the building right now.
Yeah, dude, you're actually so high. Okay, I gotta go as high as you, bro. That's actually crazy.
Okay, I'm going this way.
Dude, I zoomed out of the camera and you just...
Okay, yeah, yo, I'm gonna lock in now.
I have like the 64x zoom on.
Yo, I'm literally just gonna follow the track here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm like half speed right now. Oh, there's people.
Hey, you're good here. Okay. They're on the other side, so...
Okay, I'm coming in.
Okay, smooth right now. Okay, you could lower airspeed.
Oh, no, I'm going again.
Yeah.
I'll stay at this height.
Yeah.
I keep coming in too fast. Yo, the turn is kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie. But, you're right.
Yeah.
I might go over the poles here.
You're pretty fast, so...
Yeah, I might go over the poles here.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Nice.
Lead off a bit of height. Okay, good. Pull up. Turn off engine. Oh my god, that was the butteriest landing I've ever seen.
Dude, that felt so good. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Was that perfect?
Okay, good. Pull up. Turn off engine. Oh my god, that was the butteriest landing I've ever seen.
Dude, that felt so good. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Genuinely
That felt so nice.
That's better than you've ever buttered it, like visual.
Visually?
Like,
yo, that was shit.
in any way, what did you? How did you
Wait, that was actually so nice.
Okay, but yeah, but you came in straight. Like normally when we come in from that side, we come in like on the track. You went like further out of it, so you were coming in pretty much straight from that side.
Dude.
You came from over the lamps and then down onto the runway.
Literally, the formula is okay. So for there, I go over the lamps.
Yeah.
Lamps going over the lamps.
You just go straight.
Because, dude, I come in so straight. And when you bleed off speed, I was quarter speed bleeding off. And then I'll just perfectly fly off the runway, and then I just pull off the power and let it come down on its own.
That was so good.
That was
what?
Fucking grease. Okay, we're doing 2 flights today. Oh my god, that was so good. Wait, like literally nothing happened though, right?
Yeah.
Like,
It's just back in one piece.
Yo, the only possible thing you can improve on these are the front landing gear, and that's an easy fix. All we have to do is just screw them on again.
Yeah.
And I mean, again, the front landing gear like don't even matter at the beginning because they lose full traction in the first 2 seconds of anything. And on landings, they're bouncing around. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was fucking. Yo, when I landed, I literally had 0 shaking in the cockpit. Like, you know, all the other landings, I didn't know if I landed well. Like, this one I knew. I was like, it's perfect. Like.
Now it was time for my flight. The sun is going down, so this flight is going to be magical in the sunset.
It's full speed and up. Beautiful. It's full speed and up. Beautiful. Yo, you can low-key be less aggressive on the...
That was even less aggressive than last time.
Yeah. No, but you went like straight up.
Okay, do you have a good angle right now?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna go high.
Yo, it's like orange from the sunset.
Yeah, and I can do the sun.
Holy shit. It's so hard to aim like once you're so high up.
Dude, oh my god.
Hey, wait, you're like right over us. Okay, there. I'm gonna switch to this eye thing.
Yeah, right now I have perfect connection.
Perfect.
This is actually fucking... There's 0 cutting at all.
You're so smooth.
Okay, I'm gonna go higher, bro. I got it.
Higher? Just remember...
Okay, right now... Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm like twice... 2.5x the building right now, and I can see perfectly.
Okay, yeah, chill. Don't go too high.
There's no cutting at all.
Okay.
Dude, what the fuck?
Wait, there's no sun too right now.
Dude, wait, I'm actually so high. I can see downtown so clearly.
Wait, you're in space.
No. What
Yo,
the hell?
Loki, do you want to push it?
Dude, it's actually... I like a real plane right now.
Wait, you're screen recording, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I gotta check this.
Dude, I see Mississauga downtown.
Okay, that's sick.
Dude, the lake is crazy. Wait,
Yo,
there's no cut at all.
You're actually chilling.
Wait, where even am I?
Yeah, I don't even know.
Oh, I see the school, okay.
You're like over us.
What the dude, this is beautiful. This is actually beautiful. Wait, when you see this? In this Toronto in the sunset? Oh my god. Dude, I see like everything.
Wait, I lost you. Wait, where are you?
I'm above us right now.
Oh, there you are.
I was flying above us this whole time.
Yo, if I look away for a second,
you just lose me.
Yeah, wait, where are you? Okay.
Oh my god,
You
dude.
yet?
The city looks so sick right now.
You actually look like a real player.
Yeah, I swear I could just fly towards the lake right now, like no issue, bro. This is so sick.
This is actually sick.
Yeah, I had like a tiny little cut, but that's fine.
But yeah, like 0 cuts.
Yeah.
Like without the sun, it's even better, right?
Dude, this is actually so beautiful.
And it's sunset.
Dude, the sunset is so sick. Oh my god.
4K sunset.
Oh my god, it's so fucking sick.
Bro, you're playing it like yo. When I see like the sunset like rays like light your plane up orange, it looks so sick.
Oh my god, this is beautiful. I'm like slowly like coming down.
Okay, I mean, do you want to land soon?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch to normal speed.
Oh, it's only a minute? Oh, hold up.
No. Like, he started counting later.
Yeah.
Is that like?
Okay, I'm gonna kind of push like a bit this way, I think.
Okay. No, here, fly for like another 2 or 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay? You still got time.
Dude, no cuts.
Yeah.
Wait, where am I right now?
I'll see fly a little lower now just for some
Okay,
nice
I'm like
shots.
past the school right now.
Yeah, yo, fly a little lower for some nice shots, okay?
Alright, let's try.
Well, I was like, you're still chill, yeah, like stay anywhere, like do whatever, but it's not too high.
Okay, right now I'm above us, right? Yeah. Let me bring it down a bit. Dude, it's actually fucking incredible. This is so
Honestly,
sick.
give me another flyby.
Alright.
And then come in for landing slowly.
Yeah, I'll do flyby and landing.
Okay. Wait, how much MH do you have? Or?
7 something. No, 820.
Okay, you should be fine.
I should be fine.
Better
Yeah.
to land earlier, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is incredible.
Okay, I'm gonna bring it in, I think.
Okay, go for it.
So I'll go like out above the
thing. I'm gonna
right?
switch to visual. Just remember, stay half speed in all turning until you line up straight, and then just go quarter speed down, okay?
Okay, let's turn around here.
A little higher, but...
I think I should be good.
Okay, if you bring it down. Speed. No, perfect. Beautiful. Nice. Touchdown. Okay, if you bring it down. Speed. No, perfect. Beautiful. Nice. Touchdown. Bro, that was incredible.
Dude, you know the amount, like, I'm actually like just so happy right now.
Dude, that was fucking insane.
I'm just like, oh my god. Dude, there's no way we have this. I'm literally speechless.
No,
I'm getting it.
Okay.
Oh my god, what?
Wait, that was like beautiful grease.
When you see that footage, actually, you
can
go
I
up
can see it
right now.
I'm gonna look at it right now.
Oh my god, dude, and I was so like, you don't believe how.
Okay, show me. Dude, that was.
Oh my god.
Dude, that land. Okay, dude. Honestly, I couldn't really see. Wait, the landing looked good for you, right?
Yeah.
Dude, it's a butter. It's easy. It's a butter every time, right? Like. All right, so I'm speechless from these flights. They flew insane. I think this is the first day that we flew and like broke nothing. Like 0 issues. Nothing went wrong, just perfect flights. The only thing we couldn't fly together because the FPV would like mess each other up, like the connection. But other than that, this was amazing. Like, dude, I swear this is the best FPV flyers
like out there.
Ever out there.
For DIY at least.
It couldn't be better. Smooth, flies perfectly smooth. Stall point is like insane. Like, okay, we didn't show it here because in FPV we fly safe. We keep the engine spooling until the very end. Like that's why we kept like in the landings. Like we're coming in way faster than we need to. Like these planes, like we test this quarter speed up high, 0 stall. Like these planes can't stall. They're perfectly stable. Everything was great. FPV is super good. It was beautiful too. We're super high with the sunset. It was. I couldn't ask for a better day. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.
I'm gonna ride on the beach. Hey, tell anybody more on me to we keeping it lit. Hey, hype on the speed. I'm gonna ride on the beach.